We'll guide you through how to access ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and type in the URL chat openai.com to access the ChatGPT platform. Once the page loads, you'll see the main interface where you'll need to either log in or sign up. If you already have an OpenAI account, click on the login button at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password, then click login to proceed. If you're new, click on sign up and follow the prompts to create a new account. You'll need to provide a valid email address and a strong password, then verify your email through the link sent to your inbox. After logging in, you should be directed to the ChatGPT dashboard where you can start interacting with the AI. To start a new chat, simply click on the new chat button, typically found on the left-hand side of the screen. You can then type your question or input in the chat box at the bottom and press enter to send it. ChatGPT will generate a response for you to read and interact with. You can continue the conversation or ask new questions as needed. Remember, the interface may update over time, so keep an eye out for any changes in layout or new features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.